Welcome to Spice and Pans. Subscribe to our channel for our recipes weekly.
Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we will be cooking asparagus with pan-seared scallops. So let's start cooking. First we'll blanch the asparagus. In a boiling pan of water, add in half a teaspoon of salt, a little bit of oil. The reason that I'm doing so is because after blanching, the vegetables will still be green. We'll put in the stalks first. I'm having 9 fat stalks of asparagus. So let's put in the stalk first. Now let the stalk boil for about 10 seconds first before you put the top part of the asparagus. You can use any asparagus that you like, be it white or the slimmer type, no problem. I'm just going to put this in, boil them for another 10 seconds. I don't want to overcook my veg, so I'm just going to take them all out now. If you want to steam them, you can too. I prefer blanching them, you'll be faster and less of a hassle. Once this is done, we'll pan sear the scallops. In a heated pan, add in some oil. Now we need oil to be in there because we want to really give the scallops a nice brownish color on the sides. Searing scallops is not difficult. The most important part is that you have to really pat dry these scallops. It has to be as dry as possible and the pan has to be really hot. Once the pan is hot, we'll put in the scallops. I'm using 8 pieces of the scallops. Now don't move them around first. Let them sear in the oil in the pan for approximately 15 seconds. If you are using frozen scallops like me, it's advisable to bring them out of the freezer the night before and put them in the normal storage space in the fridge to thaw them. Don't immerse them inside water because we don't want the scallops to be full of water inside there. I'll be turning the scallops to the other side to sear. There's a lot of different scallops, frozen scallops in the market. Get the one brand that you like. These scallops that we're using now, they are from New Zealand. They are a very big size and they don't really shrink that much as opposed to the scallops from other countries. Look at the beautiful sear that we are having over there. Just 15 to 20 seconds on each side of the scallops will be fine. We don't want to overcook the scallops because we still want it to be juicy and tender. But once you can easily move them around, it means it's seared on the other side also. Let us just have a look. Right. If you like to have a more seared, you can actually put them in the pan for a slightly longer period. But I think for me, this will be good enough. So I'm going to remove them from heat now. I'm using medium heat right now. Medium heat is always advisable because then you don't burn your food that easily. Look at how beautiful these scallops are. Okay, time to do the sauces. Now I'm going to make the sauce in a heated pan. Add some oil. 3 cloves of garlic chopped. I just want the flavor out. I don't want to brown them too much. Once you can smell the garlic, add in half a cup of water. Half a teaspoon of chicken powder. 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce. I'm using the better or premium oyster sauce, so it's not that salty as compared to those cheaper types in the market. Add in 1/3 of a teaspoon of sugar. Mix them up well. This is a quick and easy way of making this dish. The only time that you need is only thawing the scallops. So now just thicken up the sauce a little bit. I'm thickening the sauce up with cornstarch solution. Just a little bit more and we are good to go. Okay, time to plate them up. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how we cook our asparagus with pan-seared scallops. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.